Heat treatment process may be defined as an operation or combination of operations involving heating and cooling of metal and alloy to obtain desirable conditions as stress relief parts or properties, example hardness and strength. In this video content, we are going to give review about top 5 basic heat treatment process. Number 1. Stress relieving. Internal stresses are built up into metal and alloy components because of heavy machining operations, forming operations such as bending, throwing, and non-uniform cooling during casting, welding, etc. If internal stresses are not removed, then distortion of component can occur and even it may crack. The stress relieving operation is carried out by heating the component below A1 temperature 723 degrees centigrade, generally in the range of 550 to 700 degrees centigrade depending upon the type of steel. In stress relieving heat treatment, phase changes do not occur. Your component is kept at stress relieving temperature for sufficient time and then it is cooled in the furnace to 300 degrees centigrade and then cooled in the air. Number 2. Normalizing. In this heat treatment process, a steel is heated above 30 to 40 degrees centigrade, above 80 to hypoeutectic steel, and above ACM to hypereutected steel for sufficient time and then cool in the air. Normalizing steel have higher real point, tensile strength, and impact strength. Number 3. Hardening. The main objective of hardening process is to develop high hardness and wear resistance of the steel component like gear shaft, dies, punch, and SSS cutting tools. Hardening process should be carried out by train operator in a furnace where atmosphere is neutral during hardening process. If furnace atmosphere is not neutral during hardening, then decarburizing or carburizing may occur on the surface of the steel component. Number 4. Tempering. Tempering process is always carried out after hardening process. Purpose of tempering process is as to reduce internal stresses produced during heating and cooling, to reduce amount of retained austenite produced during hardening operations, to increase the ductility of steel, to give the steel toughness and shock resistance. How tempering process is carried out? Steel is heated below A1 temperature after hardening for sufficient time and then cooled in the air. Number 5. Subzero treatment. This heat treatment is also known as cryogenic treatment. Subzero treatment means cooling the steel below 0 degree centigrade. Subzero treatment is carried out after hardening process to transform the retained austenite to martensite in order to produce very high hardness and wear resistance as required in tool, gears and gauze. The subzero treatment is recommended. How subzero treatment is carried out? The subzero treatment is carried out in the temperature range of -30 to -140 degrees centigrade depending upon MF temperature of steel. Steel is kept at MF temperature at about 1 to 1.5 hours. For subzero treatment, either mechanical refrigeration or liquid nitrogen is used as a quenching medium.